रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। नहमदुहू व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बाद। Honorable Principal, respected teachers, parents and my dear sisters, it's my pleasure to deliver a small speech on this day, Independence Day. My name is Sabreen Parveen, studying in class Al-Masania. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. As you know, today is the most important day in Indian history. Today we are celebrating 77th National Independence Day of India. India became independent on 15th August 1947 from a cruel British rule. This independence we got was a result of lot of sacrifices and struggles of our great freedom fighters like Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani rahmatullah alayh, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad rahmatullah alayh, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others sacrificed their life for the independence of our country. On this occasion, we all remember their sacrifices and thank them. It is a day of joy and pride for all engaged in the defense of country. We will always be ready to protect the country and will always be helpful in the progress of the country. I conclude my speech with these words. Thank you and thank God. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ وَالسَّلَامُ عَلَيْكُمْ.